Welcome to our channel, Sailing Until Valhalla. This is Anthony, my fix-anything, mouthy captain, and our three crazy kids, Dean, Lance, and Rose. And I'm Stephanie, the one who makes the videos, wrangles the kids in while helping run the boat. Come along with us on our journey of exploring the world full-time on a hardened 45 sailboat, chasing the next adventure.
Honey, I'll help you after you do that. Yeah, I'm sure they say.
Dad, I want to do that thing. I want to do that thing.
Yeah.
They call this school a freehorn sheep. You know why? Look at this. School of
Pancakes for breakfast.
bighorn sheep. A bighorn sheep. Try to do it one more time.
Merry
They
Christmas.
call this school a freehorn sheep.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Whoopsies.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's Christmas here, and I just got done making the kids pancakes, and we're gonna do a big prime rib for dinner.
Hell yeah, we are.
And Tony's gonna make me eggs Benedict for Christmas.
Mama's favorite.
Yeah.
I get my rib.
Oh.
Do it.
Got our baby unicorn. Okay. And so lovely, we have a huge windstorm today.
Big windstorm.
Really big windstorm. Like, we're supposed to be in like what would it be called? I don't know. The gray part.
Yeah, we're gonna be in
Like 50 plus knots.
yeah, mid 50 knots.
Yeah.
When you start getting in real nasty shit.
And these winds started yesterday.
Yeah, they started at. Yeah, she'll show you. This is the night we're hunkered down here. We got a whole shitload of extra lines. But this will be the night where we'll stay up in the marina and basically watch all the dipshits who didn't tie their shit down. Last storm we had, it was like in the high 30s, and we had someone's furling come loose and rip a head sail in half. So you always get that. So that'll be a fun.
We've been getting the 30s
Consistently, yeah, 37 to 39. It's pretty consistent. So this one's supposed to be 52, and we're getting to that point now
in
where
the
boats
middle
are
of the
healing.
night.
Yeah, 1 a.m. So boats are now starting to heal up and shit on the docks, and so that'll be a fun one. So yeah, we'll show you that one cooking.
Yeah. You hear the wind whistling. It's not quite too bad right now. So yeah, it's supposed to get a lot worse than this. I'll try to video through the day, but wish that we didn't have this on Christmas. But whatever, at least we are at the dock, so that's nice. We don't have to worry about dragging anchor or anything like that.
Doing so good.
Good.
Look how good I have done right now. Look at it right now.
Look at it now. Is that enough holidays for you?
Yeah.
I'm at 13.
Daddy made me eggs Benedict.
Hell yeah.
My favorite breakfast.
It'll do. Well, that's good, actually. You know what? Canadians do holidays better. True story. They do.
Yeah,
we always
they
have
do.
the best eggs Benedict here.
Nice perk to coming into the dock for the winter and being at a huge store in Campbell is we get to have our favorite prime rib. Tom is obsessed.
Probably don't smell it through that camera. It's so strong.
Show the finished product too.
I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I figure I'd take you with me because it's always interesting going through Marina in this weather. But I figure I'd show how much everything's moving in here. It's pretty wild. I came out to do laundry. We got a big industrial laundromat here, so this would be a good day to come out when everyone's hunkered down. There's still a few people up here. But most people have started to kind of climb back in and hide, it looks like. So it's nice for me. I get the whole laundry place to ourselves. To do some like comforters and big stuff. We have a washer dryer. It only does small stuff for the most part, but I want to show you how everything's moving around here. It's pretty wild. It's one thing to be 30-40 on the hook when you can swing and you got a big open anchorage, but it's crazy when you're in like the harbor and see what shit kind of does. It's always interesting. I'll take you with me and see. It's just sideways rain too. It's a little nasty today. It's mid to low 40s. Wind chill, I think it's almost freezing, so it's a little bit chilly out today. Yeah, look at her heel. Yeah, Valhalla's getting knocked around pretty good, and she, our boat's a heavy boat. I mean, she's slung in at 20 tons, so we don't move a whole lot with weather. We do like anything else, but we're getting kicked pretty good too. I'll show you that. Let's see if I can capture that. Not really good. You can hear it whistling out there. Yeah, see these boats climbing. You'll see my tie job. I don't trust lines after our incident, but I mean, you can see this thing's lined out like freaking a madman. I'll see if I get some other boats, but yeah, I mean, it's yeah, like I said, we usually don't see this much in a marina. We have before, but it's always nastier when you got docks and boats. This thing's rocking around, man. He's letting that big bastard go. And that's with a breakwater. I don't know if you can see it. This marina's surrounded by this breakwater. We're still getting hammered. I know we just shifted this, but I always tie my halyards back. Bungee cord them up, all that shit, because nobody wants to hear fucking halyard slapping in the middle of the night, man. And all these guys, tang, 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 so I can't sleep through that crap. So I got them all strapped down. So last night we had this blow and we had a quiet night. So that was nice. But yeah, it sucks. You can't really see. Everything's chasing around out there. We'll see. If we get any carnage tonight, I'll try to videotape it. We'll be fine. But yeah, another day in paradise.
Please like, comment, and share this video. It really does help push our videos, and of course subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We do really appreciate it.